This is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. This is a house in Brooklyn, and it's been vacant for a while. And what they're going to do is they're going to rehab it. So they brought me in to do some existing condition floor plans and exterior elevations. I'll run you inside quickly, give you an idea of what it's like. So it's been vacant for quite a while. So you can see it's pretty run down. Here's like a typical room. Have some ceiling damage, and so they're gonna rehab it. I'm sure it'll look beautiful when they're all done. It's a nice house in a decent neighborhood, and yeah, this is what I'm working on today. I want to show you around. If you're ever in need of existing addition drawings, whether it be of a house, apartment, etc., then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.